everyone. Today we will be learning about hybrid inheritance. So, hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of different types of inheritance, such as single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Everything is merged into a single class structure that we call it as a hybrid inheritance. So here, hybrid inheritance offers flexibility by allowing a class to inherit properties and behaviors from multiple parent classes. So then, hybrid inheritance allows you to build on existing features from various inheritance levels. However, while it provides great power, it can also introduce some complexities like method conflicts or ambiguities. Okay, so I'll show you an example. After that, we will discuss about benefits of hybrid inheritance. Okay, so here you can take a look at this code. So here we do have a parent class 1, that is animal. Okay, so this parent class name is animal. This is a parent class where its name is animal. It defines a method speak, which when called print, animal makes a sound. So the speak method is a behavior, or you can consider it as a functionality that any object of the animal class or any class inheriting from the animal can perform. Okay. So then you do have a parent class too. So that is pet. So this is another parent class called pet. So it defines a method play, which when called print pet plays. Okay. So the play method is the behavior or the functionality that that any object of the pet class or any class inheriting from the pet can perform. After that, this is also a parent class, that is parent 2. So then you do have a child class. So the class dog is defined as a child class of both animal and pet here, which means it inherits from both of these parent classes. So this is an example for hybrid inheritance. So here the dog class defines its own method, that is bark, right? So it has its own method bark. So if you call for bark here, then it will print it as dog barks. Okay, so the bark method is a unique to the dog class and it is not inherited from any parent class. Okay, so now once you're done with this, next step is to create an object for the dog. Okay, so we are creating an object for that. So this object will have access to the methods of both parent classes, that is animal and pet, as well as its own method, that is bark. Okay, so in the next line, I will be calling dog speak. So this dog speak is inherited from the animal and it will print the line that is animal makes a sound. Okay, so now if I call dog.play, this is inherited from the parent class 2, that is pet. So if I call for pet means it will print the line that is pet plays. Then if I call for dog.bark, this is defined only in dog, not either from animal nor from pet, but it is only defined in dog itself. So it will print dog barks. So that is what happens in this particular code. I'll just run this code. Here you can see this. So this animal makes a sound is inherited from animal, whereas pet plays is inherited from pet and dog barks is inherited from dog. That's it. So this is how we write the code in hybrid inheritance. Okay, so then we will learn about the benefits of hybrid inheritance. So when it comes to benefits, the first benefit is code reusability. This is one of the main advantage of hybrid inheritance, that is code reusability. So here a child class can inherit from multiple parent classes, allowing it to reuse the code from various sources. And also it improves the efficiency and reduce the redundancy. So the next benefit is flexibility. So hybrid inheritance enables combining different inheritance type. This provides flexibility in structuring the class hierarchy, allowing developers to design classes that fit specific complex requirements. The third benefit is modular design. So this encourages modular design where functionality is divided into smaller reusable components. So these components can be mixed and matched as needed, making the child class more adaptable and easier to maintain. Then we do have a scalability, as hybrid inheritance is also scalable. As your requirements grow, you can add more properties or behaviors from different classes without affecting the base structure of your class hierarchy. So these are the benefits of hybrid inheritance. So our next topic is, what are the challenges we will face while using the hybrid inheritance? The first challenge is complexity. So this is one of the major challenge of hybrid inheritance. So when combining multiple inheritance types and classes hierarchy can become complicated, making it harder to understand, debug and maintain. So then we do have a ambiguity as another challenge. So this arises when two parent classes have methods with the same name. In such case, it can be unclear which method the child class should inherit. This lead to method conflicts, which can make the code harder to manage. So this will be the end of topic, that is hybrid inheritance. Thank you.